Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove linked Instagram account from Facebook. So to start, open Facebook, then click your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Next, at the top, select Account Center. Then scroll down and select Manage Account. Next, choose the Instagram account you want to remove. Click Manage. Next, tap Move out of this account center. Then select Move Account. So it says here you won't be able to manage account settings from your account and other accounts in this account center in the same place. You won't be able to use one login across your accounts and will need a separate password for your Instagram account. And you won't be able to share posts, stories, and reels across your Facebook and Instagram account. So click continue, then click yes, finish moving, and just wait for it to finish. And that's it. So if you change your mind, you can move your account back into this account center anytime. So click OK and that's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.